So I've been searching all morning for the best Lyft promo codes, and trust me guys, not many promo codes for Lyft are actually worth using. But after hours of searching, I've managed to find possibly the greatest Lyft coupon codes, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So go ahead, watch this tutorial, and this is going to get you a bunch of free credit into your Lyft account and also free rides. So enjoy, guys. Okay guys, so let's get into the tutorial and show you today how you can get the best Lyft promo codes in 2024. These are going to save you a bunch of money and get you free credit on your Lyft account using simple coupon codes. So let's get into it. So you need to use your mobile phone. So of course you have a mobile if you use the Lyft app, and you need to go to this website, guys. So type it exactly how I'm going to type it here into your mobile internet. www.wavycoupons.com. So head on over to Wavy Coupons, guys, this website here. Now this is an awesome website. They basically specialize in saving you money across tons of different pages. So you're going to need to navigate your way to the Lyft page. So you can see there is a search bar. So if you search for Lyft, you're looking for the Lyft free credit and ride coupons page. So just navigate your way to this page here. Now there are a couple of different Lyft promo codes that you can choose between. There is a $100 Lyft account credit code. So this is going to add $100 balance to your Lyft account. You can also get your next 3 rides for free, and that carries no minimum spend, or maximum spend, I should say. So you can choose which one's going to save you the most money and then click on show coupon. So in this case, I've chose the $100 Lyft promo code, and you can see, guys, of course, these codes are limited. So you can see they're limited in number, and these are super desirable codes. So you need to unlock your personal code. This basically protects the codes. So tap unlock code. Now I've got enough account credit, so I'm not going to do this, but when this gets to the end, you're going to see a new screen, and it was going to tell you exactly how to unlock your code. You need to complete a couple of these simple free tasks, and they can range from downloading and playing games to answering questions in questionnaires. You just need to complete any 2 of the tasks, and once you've done that, verified yourself as a real person, your code will be fully revealed. So these stars will turn into numbers and characters, and you can go ahead, redeem it in your Lyft app, and it's going to credit you $100. Super easy, guys. So head on over to wavycoupons.com and get your Lyft promo codes. These are working in 2024. By far the best codes, guys. Like I said, I've spent hours searching, and trust me, these are the ones you want to be using. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.